This is my 2016 KTM690 with some upgrades. First ride I broke the KTM handguards and replaced it with these Cycra handguards, which are heavy duty aluminum, good looking matching handguards. As you can see, I also have the double take mirrors on there. This little plastic fairing only cost about $67. It's from KTM. I haven't done really anything to the front forks except put a sticker on it. The bash plate, this is a Black Dog bash plate, which is massive. It's kind of heavy. Protects everything in the motor. Also protects the rear brake. Had the KTM bash plate, which was aluminum. You could bend it with your fingers. Next thing, I wanted to reinforce the rear subframe and have a way to carry stuff. This is the Tusk rear pannier mount system, which that's the metal. It attaches to the foot pegs for lower support. Attaches to the rear subframe, which is actually the gas tank, which is plastic, and reinforces that quite well. The Tusk rack only cost $168. The TourTech one costs $400. So it's your choice. It's almost the same. You can mount anything on there you want. Soft bags, hard bags, whatever you want to do. But as you can see, the weight of the rack goes down to the foot pegs. It eliminates the passenger pegs, which you'll never need. The Tusk rear rack here is also fairly inexpensive. All Tusk stuff comes from Rocky Mountain ATV, which is basically inexpensive motorcycle parts. They're not the best quality, but they're very good and inexpensive. This one is the CJ Design gas tap filler. This is pretty much a required addition to your 690, otherwise you're going to get dirt in your gas tank with the stock filler. I took the Scott stabilizer off of my 520 and bought a kit and put the Scott stabilizer on my 690 with this kit that attaches to the frame. Very, very nice. It stabilizes the front end at high speed. You can see the guards there, the double take mirrors. The spoiler doesn't do a lot. My GPS goes there, whatever kind you have. This is my phone mount. It's just a homemade iPhone mount. My phone's so big I had to get a way to carry it. This is the Black Dog carrier. I upgraded the chain guard with this aluminum hardcore one. In order to get the rear wheel off the ground, I have a street bike lift. Putting those little $10 doodads on there made it much easier to change tires. And I've kind of gotten where I like these Moto Z tires. They're very stiff, they last forever, and they don't get flats. One of the things I want to show you is the air filter. I changed to the Rottweiler air filter, and so this entire thing was a massive plastic thing with a small snorkel. If you put the Rottweiler air filter on, your bike will run better, you'll have more power, and then you have a foam filter that you can change condoms on the outside or just do foam with the thing. You also get this storage pouch, which allows me to keep papers and things like that I need. Gas, the range on this is about 150 miles without a problem, and I needed a little bit more gas, so I ended up putting a 1 gallon Rotopack on the side. There's other ways to do it. It comes off easy, it's very stable. The mount is from oh god, I can't remember. It's Wolfman mount. It's overpriced. There's cheaper ways to do that also. This is a Wolfman bag. But anyway, it's a nice setup, works well. Very happy with the bike. I think it's the ideal bike for doing backcountry discovery routes because it's much more dirt oriented. Not fun on the freeway for a long time, but will get you there without a problem. Dependable. Haven't had any mechanical problems with the machine. I only have about 8,000 miles on it so far. They say at 15,000 miles the rocker arm bearings should be changed, which is not expensive, but every 15,000 miles when they do valves, highly recommend you do that. Anyway, that's the bike. Think you'd enjoy it.